Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 12th. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and yesterday I told you I was expecting the FTSE to go towards this area right here, but I was a bit in doubt which path we would follow. Would we do here the path in red, which says that this wave X is not finished yet, but that we would make the wave X low like this, a wave W, a wave X up right here, and then another wave Y down into this area, and then go up from here to finish this wave Y here. And the other possibility was that the wave X here is in, and we started our wave Y up, but then as an ABC. So a wave A up, a wave B down, followed by a wave C up. And so now, with the new data we have, I tend to believe that it's gonna be the A, B, C scenario, because this here starts to look like 5 waves, no longer 3 waves. So if it is not 3 waves, that would exclude a corrective wave X up. It looks more like 5 waves to me. So, and then it can be this A, B, C structure that we will get here. So what do we see here on the 4-hour? We start to break this RSI trend line. So I'm expecting, a move down soon, I would say. A move down where this low here will probably hold. Then we should go into wave B area. But yeah, this wave B area we cannot define yet, but because this structure is probably not finished yet. And so so this cycle starts to break here, which means we will get a downward cycle. And then here in the 1 hour, also here we have the classic impulse pattern, I would say. Like it looks like this: wave 1, wave 2, then here we have our wave 3, with this being wave 3 of 3, the strongest one. Then this here, wave 3. Then we go down, breaking the RSI trend line. So now we are making a new high here. Excuse me. A new high with divergence, which is a typical 5-wave pattern. So therefore, I see 5 waves in here, and not 3. So that would mean a wave A up, and then soon we should go down here as a wave B, down as a wave B. But I believe this low here will hold, and then this wave B here will be followed by a wave C up. Where exactly this here will end, it's a bit hard to say. Just if I look at the 15 minutes, we do not really have like clear waves right here, so we can have like a very short wave 5, like just finishing right here where we currently are. Maybe we get some more structure, and then like ending as an ending diagonal, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could also happen, but I would say some kind of reversal from here, temporary reversal from here, is what I would expect, like reversal as a wave B, and then more upside as a wave C. That would be my expectation. based on what we get here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.